Right, hi guys. One of the guys posted a comment asking whether the Edge would work with fading in a YouTube video. Now, since YouTube videos are embedded in iFrames, iFrames are a HTML element, so yes, Edge should be able to manipulate iframe, and it sort of works. Now, I did reply to the comments saying that yes, it should work. I've tried it out and it does work. However, I only tried it out in Safari. It doesn't work in either Chrome or Firefox. So I don't know whether that's just a case of them being updated or not. But right at the moment, this will only work in Safari. I'll show you anyway, just to show you the effect. I'm assuming when Edge gets a bit more prevalent and CSS3 and HTML5 is more widely adopted, then this effect will work. But I'll have to look into it a bit more. Anyway, the basic premise is if you've got a div or an iframe where the YouTube video is embedded, like I have here. Obviously, it doesn't show up in the browser in Edge as the video, just as a square where the video will go. You can see in the under elements, it's the iframe just there. So I've got that selected, and obviously I just set the animation. So playhead to the start, set the opacity to 0, just up here. Set the playhead to 2 or whenever you want the animation coming in. Set the opacity to 100, and that should fade it in. So I've already saved this out. I'll open this up in Safari and show you how it's supposed to work. So you can see that fades the video in. Perfect. Right. Now if I open that up in Chrome, it doesn't work. Open it up in Firefox. Same story. Oh, actually, Firefox did work. So how come it didn't work a couple of minutes ago? That's really weird. Just shows I'm only human, I guess. So let's try that again in Chrome. If it's going to decide to suddenly work. No, Chrome does not work. Okay. And try it one more time in Firefox. And Firefox, it does work. It's jittery, but it does work. Let's make the animation a little bit longer. Set it to 3. And let's see if we can have it moving around. So we'll set the keyframe for the location at the start, and then to 3 seconds in, and we'll set the location X value up to, well, about there. Save that out. Just seeing what animations will work with an iframe. Open that up in Safari. And the move obviously doesn't work. Let's refresh. Oh yes, okay, so I refresh, it does work. Excellent, so moving and fading in does work in Safari. Let's test it in Chrome. Oh, weird things going on in Chrome, weird things. Okay, it looks like it's moving the iframe itself, but YouTube do still use the Flash player just hosted within an iframe, so it might be the fact that it's having to deal with Flash at the same time as doing JavaScript animations. Although I've never really had an issue with it before. Let's try that again in Firefox. And it works hunky-dory in Firefox. Oh, sort of. Try that again. Video didn't show up. There we go. Absolutely fine in Firefox. Excellent. Some of these caching with the browser, sometimes you have to refresh them before you see them properly, especially if you're going through several iterations of the testing. Anyway, told you this was sort of going to be a quick one, so have a good evening and see you guys later.